morning, Bryan City Schools.
Yesterday we nominated students for the homecoming court. Those nominations will be announced during a small assembly at 2:30 today.
Tomorrow morning, we will be voting for our homecoming queen in court. Students at BHS will vote during first period. Students at Fort County will vote around 8:45. The results will be announced at an assembly tomorrow afternoon. Good luck to all those who were nominated.
Guest forms for the homecoming dance are due by Thursday, October 11th. If you are bringing someone who is not a Bryan High School student, you will need this form. You can find it in your email or on the high school page of the district website.
Just a reminder, there will be a sophomore class meeting on Tuesday, October 2nd, starting at 12:45 p.m. and a senior class meeting at 1:15 p.m. There will be an announcement to release the classes to the gym.
If you want a sophomore class t-shirt, you need to stop in and see Mrs. Johnson in room 120. They are also $10 and will be sold through Friday. Please come before school, after school, or during AA.
Yesterday, Bryan's varsity and JV academic league teams had their first match of the season. Varsity defeated Hicksville 51-43, and JV lost in a close match of 30-38. Great job to both teams.
There is an Interact meeting scheduled for today during AA on the teaching stairs.
Okay. Football tickets for Friday night's football game at Archbold will be on sale today and tomorrow. They will be available in the athletic office from 8 to 3. Ticket prices are $6 for adults and $4 for students. All tickets at the gate are $6. Streak Week!
There will be a meeting for anyone interested in trying out for junior high or high school boys basketball tomorrow during AA at the learning stairs. Even if you're in a fall sport, please be there for shoe fitting information and paperwork.
If anyone is interested in bowling this winter, there are pamphlets in the middle school office. If you fill it out and return it, you get a free game at Bryan Lanes.
Pre-season conditioning for junior high and high school wrestling will begin on October 1st, right after school in the wrestling room. Bring clothes for inside and outside work. Anyone that is not in a fall sport is expected to be there. If you have questions about conditioning, contact Mr. Dominic in room 2. Congrats to Connor Shirky and Case Hartman for being first team All-League golfers, and Nolan Kiston and Drew Peters for being honorable mention. Coach Benath was also named Coach of the Year for the league. Great job, guys.
Have a great day.